Hi, this is Matt Dimitroshin of Telemus Capital with the week in review for the week ending August 28th of 2020. The week that finished marked the fifth straight week of gains for the S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite. The indices were up 3.3% and 3.4% respectively. Both set new record highs, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average rising 2.6%, pushing it into positive territory on the year. The Russell 2000 index lifted 1.7%, but remains down 5% on the year. The chart in the lower right-hand corner shows the year-to-date returns for these major indexes. Financial stocks were the week's biggest winner, benefiting from a steeper yield curve. The sector gained 4.4%, followed closely by communication services and technology sectors. Utilities were the only sector to finish in the red for the week. There were some positive coronavirus updates sprinkled into the week. Abbott Labs received emergency use authorization for its 15-minute antigen test, while Moderna said its COVID vaccine generated promising response in elderly patients. On the economic front, consumer confidence dropped to a reading of 84.8 in August, down from a reading of 91.7 this in July. This level marks the lowest reading for the consumer confidence since May of 2014. In the bond markets, the yield curve steepened as 2-year Treasury yields were unchanged, while 10-year yields were up 9 basis points to close out the week, yielding 0.73%. The steepening of the yield curve was in response to Fed Chairman Powell's presentation at its annual Jackson Hole conference, where Fed Chair Powell outlined plans to target an average inflation rate of 2% versus a more explicit target of 2% previously. This indicated that rates are likely to remain lower for a longer period of time as the Fed waits for inflation to remain above 2% in a sustained period of time. In other markets, the dollar fell 1.1%, while the price of crude was up 1.6% as Gulf Coast refinery production was paused in response to Hurricane Laura. Gold also finished higher, up roughly 1%, closing out the week at $1,970 an ounce. This concludes the week in review for the week ending August 28th of 2020. Thanks, enjoy your week, and stay safe.